Hello, what's your name? Hello, my name is Abhisit Viengchan. What should I call you? You can call me Palm. Where are you from? I'm from Tak, Thailand. How old are you? I'm 19 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Nice to meet you. Same here. Are you on Instagram? Yeah, let's swap Instagram. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. What's up? Nothing much. How have you been? I have been super busy lately. How are things? Not so good. How life treating you? Couldn't be better. Is everything alright? Not really. I'm quite tired. Why is work late? You missed the deadline. I'm really sorry. It won't happen again. I have been waiting for ages. I apologize. The traffic was terrible. Look what you did. You should be more careful. It was an accident. How can I fix it? I'm not happy with it work. It's my mistake. I will fix it right away. I'm really sorry for what I said. It's no big deal. Don't worry about it. Can I use the charger? Sure, go ahead. It's okay if I leave early. No problem at all. Would you mind if I sit here? Actually, this seat is taken. Could you help me with this? I'd be happy to help. May I take a photo here? Yes, of course. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thanks a lot. No problem. I really appreciate it. My pleasure. Thanks. I owe you one. Don't mention it. You are a lifesaver. Anytime. Glad I could help. What do you suggest? I suggest you try this one. What should I do? You should take a break. Do you have any advice? If I were you, I would decide. Can you recommend a good place? I highly recommend Lumpini Park. What would you do in my position? You had better tell the truth. I'm calling to confirm our meeting. Everything is still on schedule. Can we move our meeting to 3 p.m.? Sure, that's work for me. I'm sorry, I can't make it at 2 p.m. No problem. When are you free? Something came up. I can't come today. That's okay. Let's meet another time. I have to cancel our appointment. I understand. Do you want to reschedule it? What do you think about this? I think it's so true. How do you feel about the new plant? That's a great idea. Do you agree with me? I totally agree with you. What's your take on this? I don't agree. I think it's a bit risky. Do you see it the same way? We are on the same page. Hello, this is Abhisit speaking. Hi, this is Palm from Meta. How can I help you? Can I speak to San, please? I will please your soul. One moment, please. Sure, I will wait, thank you. He is not in right now. Can I leave a message? Would you like him to call you back? Yes, please. My number is 011-111-1111. What do you mean by that? I see. Could you explain that again, please? I got it. I'm not sure I understand. Can you carefully? That makes sense. Do you have any more information on this? Understood. Could you give me an example? Clear.